Our planet is warming as carbon dioxide concentration reached new peaks. It is now clear that direct air capture must play a key role in the race to net negative by 2050. But the energy demand of the leading direct air capture technologies is simply immense. So what can we do about it?
Hi, my name is Amir Shiner, CEO of RepAir Carbon Capture in Israel. Our direct air capture solution requires only a fraction of the energy demand of other technologies.
So let's see how it works from the inside. This is our electrochemical cell. It includes 2 electrodes and a selective membrane between them. We stream air into our system and trigger an electrochemical reaction. CO2 from the air binds to hydroxide ions that are generated at the electrode to form bicarbonate ions. Those ions that contain the CO2 are selectively transferred through the membrane to the other side of the cell. Pure CO2 streams out of the cell, while CO2-depleted air returns to the atmosphere. Our system is very affordable thanks to the low energy demand. It is sustainable as it is powered by renewable electricity only, and very scalable due to its modular design.
Join us on our journey to restore the global CO2 balance.